So it is 2 o'clock in the morning.
Again. What are you guys playing?
Playing.
Can I try one? No.
Big Brain Academy.
Let me try one. Later. After. No.
Merry Christmas.
No, Emerald's turn.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh, I thought it was a phone.
It is a film.
No phone.
Oh.
I'm after.
Cupcaker in the corner over here. No, he's texting, I think.
Jeremy, let me see my phone.
Let me see my phone.
Charging.
I know it is.
Say Merry Christmas, Mom.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Mom.
No!
Oh
I'm calling you, Mom. We're all slow. We're all slow. What are you doing, Des? Desiree.
Text it!
No, just wanted to say your name. Oh, open his gift. I'll record it and show him that you really opened it. Oh, damn, my bad. Whoa, holy.
She can't even get her legs.
What are you doing? You're trying to get a present. Let me crawl.
Let me crawl. Where are you going to crawl to?
Over here. Where are you getting a present from? From my closet. I'm in Jen's closet. Okay.
Hello, 21 questions and don't even let her through.
Oh, yeah. I know what it is. Well, I know what it is, too.
I know what it is.
Oh, look. Let me see how it is. I know.
Hey. No talking shit on camera.
Hey, can I get my ring? Oh, my. Can I get my ring?
Can you come here? Can you come here?
We know.
Can you come here?
Yay. She goes in Macy's every time. Hey, where's my ring? I could just had it in my
You
hand.
finally smell good?
She goes in Macy's every time and puts it on.
Will you eat some cake?
This. How much was this?
See, Jacquez, I didn't tell her. She was surprised.
How much was this? Like, yeah, like at least 50. Can I
It's so good.
Don't put hella.
This does smell good.
Oh my god.
Hey, my birthday's coming up. Just kidding. Hey, where's my ring? Jeremy, you guys are leaving in a few minutes. Thanks, Brody.
She says thanks, Brody. Say bye. That's from Jacquez.
Yeah. Don't step on my phone. If you step on my phone, I'm gonna step on my big bag. It smells bad.
Because he thinks he can't stand the smell.
That's why no bitch got you a present.
You know?
Brother fight. Brother and sister fight.
Stop. What now, huh?
What?
Ooh, you got nothing to say, huh?
Oh, sorry.
Shut up.
He said shut up. What you got? What you got to
I don't
say?
have time for his lame ass. I have a
Ooh. Cutthroat?
Just kidding. Cutthroat. I have a cut.
Though.
Though.
Trying to make trouble?
I know, Jennifer, you instigator.
I'm just kidding. Love you guys. Ooh. You want to sing it, Des?
This is Jessica.
My hair is kind of short. I don't know.
Yeah, it's Jessica.
Stop.
I won't be able to go home until I win. How do you play though? Do it. Press A.
What is this big
Just
box?
wants to win.
Ho, ho, ho.
How do you play?
Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Okay, bye guys.
Somebody tell me.